back, guys. Right now, I'm in my Salt master, and what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and pull our changes. And we're going to go ahead and try and push them out and see if everything changes for the app.py. The development app.py will no longer be used, so I can go ahead and get rid of that file. So this one won't be used anymore. But index.html and so on, they should read whatever the IP of web01 is. So this to start to test, let's go ahead and start off with getting the mined IP. Do I have it? Yeah, okay. So let's see. So mine.get web01. And it was the network.ip-adrs. Okay, sweet. It's still mined. At least that IP is mined. I'm not sure if it's correct at this point. It should be correct, actually, because it's just newly started. So then we can go ahead and do salt state high state. It looks like we are actually running into an error. And it's specifically just with one minion, it looks like. So it says if development not in grains role. And it says argument strict undefined is not iterable. Oh, I see. Because we don't actually have grains role set in our minions yet. When I actually declared that on the kitchen, I said on the video, you want to go ahead and set the grains role to production for all the other instances. However, I didn't do that. I should have followed my own advice. So sudo salt grains.set role production. I believe that should be it. Yep, there we go. So changes role production. Okay, so now if we do a state.highState, it should find role, and then there we go, and not run into any issues. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause here. Oh, actually, I don't need to pause. We'll see. So already you can see here in the changes, it did actually find the IP. So it should also find it in the index.html, which is right there. So we know our condition sort of worked, and we don't have to go about it. And the earlier is just because I didn't have a grains key named role. If you don't have key role in grains before you do it, before you execute this, it's obviously going to fail with that particular error. So make sure you have that set. It doesn't have to be set to production, but the key needs to exist. If it doesn't, as long as it doesn't find development in there, it's going to go ahead and execute it. So I named mine production because that's the purpose of these. That's the purpose of these servers. So again, thank you for joining my videos. I hope you guys found this helpful. If not, go ahead and leave some comments so I can go ahead and improve upon it. And I'll see you guys next time.